Hey, I'm gonna do a video on this Homelite 16-inch electric power saw. It's plugged in. Had a tree to fall in my backyard, and somebody told me that this would not cut it up. So the city came and cut it because it fell across the fence on their property. So I said that it would. So this video is to prove that it would. I bought this thing used. Looked like it could use some oil. But I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Like I said, it's electric power saw, 16-inch blade, Homelite, 400 millimeter. How many amp the motor is, I don't know. I bought it used, paid 20 bucks for it. As you can see, it's in very good condition. It's like new. Come on. Well, here it goes. Prove me right or to prove them right. Come on. Give it a try. I got on flip-flops. That's a no-no, but well, folks, as you can see, I was proven right. Went through it like a knife, a hot knife through butter. Hell, it went through it just as fast as a gasoline power saw, if you ask me. Well, this will conclude the video.